Welcome boys, I'm gonna be telling you why being consistent matters. 2 years ago I started posting online and I was posting maybe one video every 2 to 3, 4 days. Like I was not that consistent, and for one year straight I was posting like that. And 6 months after that I was posting every day one video. Like every single day my duty was to post one video. I did that for 6 months. I had around 6K followers for those year and a half. And listen to this. After those 6 months, I think in November, that was 6 months ago, maybe more, I'm not sure. In November, I hit my most viral reel that got 95 million views currently. That got me 30K followers. I made the whole series. Every next video after that got maybe 5 to 10 million views, and I roughly made around 200 million views in 2 weeks. But I was posting every single day before that, and I was posting every single day after I hit that. So literally, it was a matter of time to actually skyrocket my profile to the moon. Like I had 6K followers, and after staying consistent for 6 months, I got 30K followers, bro. Plus on TikTok, 40K followers. Like I got crazy viral because I stayed consistent. I stayed constantly consistent. I just constantly posted online. But the next thing where I will be telling you why consistency matters is about the money. So I was working one job, not sure what, like maybe a year and a half ago, that was paying me around 300 euros per month. And I was like grinding on that job. I was like literally doing that job. That was actually my client that I did marketing for him, and he paid me around 300 euros per month. But I did that work on percentage. I was very bad, like as many of you know, like 300 euros per month is nothing, and I got the percentage after every sale I got through my marketing that I did for that client. That was my only client, by the way. And I tried to improve. I tried to make something work, and like for 6 months straight I couldn't pass the 300 euros per month or 400, I'm not sure, 400 euros per month mark for 6 months. I didn't leave my house. I was every single day in my house for 12 fucking hours, working, not visiting my friends, not being that much with my girlfriend. I didn't even have money to pay for dinners or what else. I was getting money from my parents, and I was working for 12 fucking hours straight every single day. And 6 months after that, I got my second client that paid me in full $1,000, 1,000 euros, sorry, for 1 month of my service. And that was the breaking point where I saw that there is more light to the business I do. So it was literally 6 months of constant work to actually get to know some things I didn't know before, for me to manage to get that new client that paid me a lot of money. Because I didn't have a clue how to get a client that pays me that much. It was in Serbia, by the way, so 1,000 euros is like more than an average salary here. Average salary is around 600 euros, 500, something like 700, I'm not sure. Around 600 euros. And 1,000 euros is fucking crazy here. And I get a client that paid me 1,000 euros. And after that, I stacked clients that pay me 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and I stacked clients that made me actually paid me by percentage, because I do media buying and I actually get a percentage of every sale that I make through their meta ads and everything I do. So I have great experience in that, but I just want to get that straight. Why consistency matters? Because if I didn't do that thing I was doing for 6 months, doing that marketing thing for that guy, and plus on the other hand some other marketing stuff, I wouldn't be able to learn how to get a client that pays me high ticket. Like, if I gave up and started doing something else, I would be in that loop of constantly coming around, like trying to find something that actually works, and I would never get any big money because I'm not focusing on one thing. Because I knew that by focusing on one thing, you master that one thing and you become best at it. And you actually, when you become best, it can take a few months, it can take fucking years to be good at it. But when you become good at it, you make unlimited fucking money. And consistency is fucking amazing. Like, if you stay consistent in one thing you do, let's say you do digital products, you do, I don't know, fitness coaching, whatever. If you stay consistent for at least 6 months, you will get your results. If you constantly change the things you're doing, you won't get anywhere. And that was literally what skyrocketed my personal brand, my business, and everything. Like, it also can be applied in your health life, in your fitness, in everything you do. Like, being consistent makes you win. Stop being a bitch, trying to change and go for shiny objects when they see somebody succeed. So start making your personal brand, your coaching, your whatever consistent. Stay on the one path, focused, and that will get to your goals. It can take a lot of time, but fuck it. Like, it's the price you pay. And if you need any help with your personal brand to skyrocket it and make big money online, go shoot me a DM or book a call under this video. So yeah, this was a short one for me. Hope it was useful. It was a totally raw video without any cuts, without any edits. And I'm very proud of myself that I can actually speak in a way that I don't need to cut it or like explain myself or try to make it look good. So yeah, I'm very proud of this because of this video. So yeah, if you're proud too, go leave me a comment. And yeah, I would like to see your support, boys. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Boys, pow!